Hey everybody, it's Mr. Chris with the Hudson Area Public Library. Wanted to give a quick shout out to our expanded hours we have at the library. So we have evening appointments, browsing appointments, curbside pickup, computer lab, all of that going on. So if you want to call 715-386-3101, you can request any of those, make reservations, and other inquiries, and just want to make you aware of those extra service hours that we have open for you. And talking take and make kits, we're kind of between things. I think there's a few cloud spotters left in the kits there, which is cool. When you put them together, you can kind of rotate the cloud that you see in the sky, and you'll get the description up at the top. And then we're going on to our new kits, which are Codemaking kits. So you have everything listed on the direction sheet is in here. You can kind of hear we've got a whistle and an ink pad and some wet wipes to clean your hands off with the ink. The only thing listed on the directions we did not include is a flashlight. We figured a lot of you have flashlights at home. Almost everybody's smartphone has a flashlight feature on it, so that would be something you could find in your house. But everything else you need is in this kit. So there is an ink pad in there. You want to be careful with it when you do your fingers. You can do your thumbs or your index fingers when you want to transfer those to the index cards. We included a bag of wet wipes there so you can kind of clean the ink off your hands. And there's a rubber band wrapped around the ink pad to keep it closed up. So when you take that rubber band off, the lid can just kind of hop off the ink pad. So we wanted to throw that out there. We didn't want you to get ink on anything that you're not intending to. But have fun with the Codemaking kits. Have more kits coming out next week, and hope everybody's having a great 2021, and we'll see you again soon. Be sure to like and subscribe on our YouTube channel to keep getting these STEM videos, and we'll see you again soon.